Scope of mathematics. The aim of mathematics is the development of appropriate abilities, appreciations, and positive attitudes. We will remain too much handicapped in our life in case we remain ignorant of mathematics. The scope of mathematics is unlimited. It occupies all walks of life. The scope of mathematics is as follows. Mathematics plays its role in the following ways: in leading daily life, in performing any profession, in learning any subject, in developing technology, intellectual powers, in meeting one's varying interests, in imbibing social and moral virtues, in preparing for future vocation, in becoming self dependent, in developing various skills, and all the advantages and values of mathematics could be considered as the scope of mathematics, and also the correlation of mathematics with science as well as social sciences could also be included in the scope of mathematics. Therefore, the scope of mathematics could be generalized as very vast and wide. History of mathematics. Introduction. Much school time is spent in teaching political history, which is characterized by human efforts to dominate one another. Historically, mathematics can be regarded as man's effort to conquer abstract ideas and put them to use. It has contributed more to the welfare and progress of mankind than political history. Then why is this history not given its due importance? Why is not it taught as part of school program? The answer probably lies in the indifference displayed by mathematics teachers who teach as they were taught in the traditional style and bound to a curricular dead end paired with computational bricks. We need to come out of dead end and start afresh. The study of the languages of primitive peoples as well as related investigations of extinct languages indicated that a process apparently as simple as counting passed through many stages before it reached a level that permitted that systematization that is essential for any mathematical procedure. Similar observations have been made in the study of early writing only tortuous processes led from symbols for sets to concrete objects to a general notation which can be justly called a system of numerals. Mathematics originated in a very few areas within the framework of highly developed urban civilization and well organized economic conditions. The very idea of history leads our attention to the time immemorial when ancient shepherds who lived as wanderers without any town or village used to perform simple calculations and counting with the aid of fingers and stones. By noticing the length of shadows, they could roughly tell the time of the day. This clearly shows how vitally the people of remote past were influenced by mathematics, although it was hidden and indirect. They had their limitations, no doubt. Most of them made astonishing and interesting mathematical discoveries.